Hi there, everybody. This is Marybeth Angelelli, and we are back inside today, inside this amazing Facebook group for the Freedom Takers team. And the opportunity that we are marketing and having great success with is called the Power Lead System, also known as PLS, which has been around for many, many years, folks. Now, I am part of a great team, and inside of the Freedom Takers Facebook group, we have a files section right here. Once you decide to get started and join Power Lead System, you're going to be added into the Freedom Takers group so that you can access all of the resources and training so you can hit the ground running and have success, okay? Just like myself and many of the Freedom Takers team members here, folks. We are now at 1,560 members strong, okay? And we are growing every single day. We're adding new members to the group. As you can see here, folks, there's 22 people requesting to join at the present time, okay? So what you'll do is you'll go here, you'll click on the files, and you're going to go ahead and click on the Get Started option, and you're going to have access right away to 5 short fast start videos that are going to show you exactly what to do, how to do it very easily in a relatively short period of time so you can get your system up and running, within a matter of minutes. You'll have your funnel set up. There's videos to show you exactly how to do that. And if for whatever reason you're not able to do that, we have you completely covered. We have someone who will set your complete system and funnel up for you for only $50. So 2 great options. You don't have to struggle. You don't have to figure this out on your own, folks. The system is already done. It's already created. It's not like you have to be a tech expert and go through the system and get overwhelmed and have to set up complex, systems and funnels. Folks, it's really easy. We have the system in place, ready to put in motion so you can take your funnel to the marketplace and go out there and get traffic and leads right away. And you don't have to worry about any learning curves. We have a done-for-you traffic co-op that you can plug right into. Once your funnel is set up, you can make your payment, choose which co-op option you want, 1 or 2, make your payment, and your co-op will start shortly after that. Your order will be taken, and you'll go in rotation, and you'll be placed in the co-op. At that point, you're going to start to generate leads, and with those leads, we have an already done-for-you follow-up system in place with pre-written follow-up email series that is going to go out for an extended period of time, and it's going to follow up with all of your leads. So what's going to happen is once your funnel's set up, you have 2 options. Plug into the Fast Start training and set your funnel up. Very easy. Doesn't take very much time to do whatsoever. Or you can pay the $50 and have it done for you. You can use the traffic co-op, or you can plug into the training and you can go out there and generate your own leads through different free methods and strategies that we show you and teach you how to do. Or you can go out there and purchase and buy your own traffic. We also have training to show you exactly what to do, what to look for, the different criteria and specifications on how to successfully purchase traffic on your own. So we have you covered, folks, on all bases. And then there is a built-in email follow-up system in place, a built-in autoresponder, or you can integrate with Aweber or GetResponse. And we have the campaign code, the campaign sharing code that we give to you, and you just plug it into your Aweber. That's what I use. And we have an extensive follow-up series that you'll be able to use. And that follow-up series is going to work for you on your behalf. And when you collect leads through your capture page, your prospects will enter their email address, and they'll be taken inside to a already done for you sales page, which is very high converting, folks. It has 2 short videos where your prospects are going to be able to watch the first video that's going to explain all about the Power Lead system. It's a very nicely done, very professional, high converting video that provides you with all the information on the Power Lead system. And then the second video is the compensation plan, the highly leveraged compensation plan that will be explained, to your prospects once they go through your funnel. And then once they do that and they opt in, they're going to get follow-up emails for a extended period of time. Now, we also have Hangouts that we invite our prospects to 3 days a week. We actually have our own Sunday Hangout at 8 p.m. Eastern. We send out invites on Sunday. We post in the Facebook group. We provide you with all the materials, all the swipe copy, everything you need. We even have a link for that, and they're all recorded, so you can share the link with your prospects and they can actually listen to a replay if they're not able to attend the call. We also have Hangouts that the company hosts. The company representative hosts those on Wednesday and Thursday evenings at 10 p.m. Eastern. We have email copy that we send out for that, follow-up copy that we also send out because it's recorded, and we actually have Hangout pages for all 3. So we have all of the marketing essentials necessary for you that are already set in stone, ready for you to take to the marketplace and start to get amazing results like I'm getting and like many of the Freedom Taker team members. And I'm going to share these with you right now, folks. A lot of people like to see results. They like to see proof, and just know in advance that the system is working, and they like to see success, folks. Seeing is believing. The proof is in the pudding, and I'm going to do that for you right now and show you the amazing results that we're getting, folks. This is an amazing system. To come all in at the platinum level, folks, this is really the goal that you want to work up to. If you're not able to come all in, initially it's $700. You can take a 7-day trial if you'd like to, and then upgrade to gold. And we have 3 levels. We have gold, we have diamond, and we have platinum. Gold is $53 a month, and you're able to earn unlimited $20 residual payments. Those add up very nicely, folks, and very quickly over time. As a diamond member, it's $147 one time, puts you in a position to be earning unlimited $100 payments. And then there's platinum, which is all in, $497 one-time investment, and that positions you to earn the most money to the tune of $400 commission payments. Unlimited $400 payments can be yours, if you join as an all-in member or you upgrade to the platinum at any time. Okay, so there's lots of options, folks. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the many wonderful results that we're experiencing on a daily basis. We're at 1,560 members strong. New members are being added every single day, folks, and we are growing by leaps and bounds. I'm excited to be part of this team, folks, and I'm really fortunate to be here. I just feel really privileged and blessed because I'm having great results myself. The team is having great results, and we're all in it to help each other to win, folks, and that's important, okay? Because when you help enough of people to get what they want, folks, you're able to, in turn, be blessed and rewarded tenfold. Like Zig Ziglar says, if you help enough of people get what they want, folks, you're going to be able to get what you want and even more. So, that philosophy holds true, folks. The leaders of Freedom Takers have really outdone themselves, folks, and they put together an award-winning system all the way around, from the funnel to the traffic co-op to the follow-up system, and that's why you're going to see so much success, folks. So here we go. Right here, you are going to see a team member who plugged into the traffic co-op. reported that she received 113 opt-ins and 4 gold members in only 2 days. And there's the proof, folks, right there for you. Okay, so I'm going to continue to scroll down. I just welcomed another gold member yesterday, folks. And there it is. We have another platinum member that came in just yesterday. That was $400 for this team member. Very, very exciting stuff, folks. There's another gold member that I welcomed yesterday, folks. And there's another gold member that came in. And another gold member came in, folks. So you see, I'm not the only one that's getting great results and having much success, folks. Many members who come in, plug in, apply, take action, and stay focused and consistent are getting great results. Signups, and we're making money every single day of the week, folks. Just following a simple, already done for you, proven system. The funnel's already set up for you, folks. Eliminates all the guesswork, takes the failure out of the equation, folks. And this is an amazing system, no doubt about it. So let's continue on downward. Another gold member came in, another 6 signups on their first round of traffic from the co-op, and they just bought their second round they're reporting. So they're excited, needless to say. Another new member is coming into the group here, folks. Another gold member, folks. I just welcomed another platinum member. I had another all-in member just 6 hours ago that put another $400 into my account, folks. So I'm excited, needless to say. Here's another member having amazing results with this amazing system, reporting multiple leads, fresh leads, and multiple signups right here, folks. In this post, there's more great results, more leads, more signups. As you can see, folks, there's no lack of success in this group, folks. This is a winning team, folks. We've got the system, we've got the traffic co-op. We teach you how to get free leads. There's phenomenal training inside of the back office of the Power Lead system. And there's our co-op chat here, folks. More members are getting great results. They are reporting that right now, folks. So just wanted to show you live. We even have a chat group, folks. We have everything to have you covered. So as you can see, there is much success, and this is the place to make it happen. So I just want to share this with you, and I'd like to welcome you in advance to the Freedom Takers team, folks. When you are ready to get started, all you have to do is click on my link below here, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the group. Even beforehand, you can see firsthand for yourself all the success that's going on here. And then when you're ready, let's get you started. You see, this is just a great place to be, folks, and a great time of year. It's tax season, so people are coming in. They are getting in at the platinum level because that's really where the real money, the real benefits are. You're going to get phenomenal training, folks, and you're going to be in a great position to earn, folks, the biggest amount of commissions. And what's really nice here, folks, if you want, this is a system that has a highly leveraged compensation plan, because not only are you going to be earning from your own efforts, we have matching bonuses, we have pass ups, and you can be in a position to earn unlimited $20 residual payments, unlimited $100 diamond level payments, and of course unlimited $400 platinum payments and commissions when you decide to come all in or upgrade to the platinum. Doesn't matter how you get there, folks. The main thing is you definitely want to get there, especially if you're serious about being successful this year and changing your life, creating your own economy, writing your own paychecks. And what's even more wonderful is we have the system in place that if you desire to walk away from your 9-to-5 job, folks, this system can make it possible for you. So connect with me, text me, call me, 330-787-1795. All my information's below in the description. You can add me on Facebook. I'm on Facebook all the time. We can connect over Messenger. You can text, call me at 330-787-1795. Take the tour, go through my system, enter your email, watch the videos, take a free membership if you like, upgrade to gold, upgrade to diamond, upgrade to platinum. You're in the right place at the right time, folks, and I'm happy that you're here, and I'd like to welcome you in advance to Freedom Takers. Thanks so much. See you soon on the next video. Bye for now.